So, to the people who don't know me yet, my name is Paul, and I might be I might be the best man at the wedding, but in the normal days, I'm just known as Manik's husband. In short, I mentioned you. Anyway, in short, I'm Cesar's brother-in-law. So, bro, I remember when I married your sister, your message to her was you're very happy for her to have her player to win. Yes. I'm very delightful to get right back at you. I'm very happy for you to find your own very own player too. Devs, officially, welcome to the family. And finally, you can say ma, pa to your in-laws. Kidding aside, kidding aside, marriage will never be smooth sailing. And smooth sailing, but both of your love for each other, and I'm one of the luckiest people to witness it. I know if everything doesn't go to your plans, I know you're making something out of it. So, guys, please share with the toast with me, and I'll finish it with Debs, Cesar, bro. Please bear in mind that both of you will neither be perfect, but I assure you, you are perfect together. To the universe. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody! Thank you very much, Sir Paul. Parang passing the baton lang ang nangyayari tonight. Thank you very much. I'm pretty sure that newlyweds will be well guided. And
Family. By the way, I'm Mark K. Concha. Bam usually call me bro. By the way, I'm her brother and sister at the same time. His papa and mama in Cebu. His Ed, critic, and best friend. My best friend is now married, finally. Just a short story on how we started being best friends. Way back 2006, that is 18 years ago, nakita na ako si Bembem sa Lying Circle of Friends. Then I told myself, murag need na ko siya, isod na ning circle of friends na mo. Bembem is nonchalant. Nonchalant at first, actually. Diligid siya makistorya kaayo. She's like a normal pretty girl. Nga hilumon gyud, not until na penetrate na mo siya sa circle of friends. And we are already inseparable after that. From theater shows to academics, to laag and curfew, from Uncle Nerfer, to going to her house para mag-practice of play kunuway sa Aralpan, Kulaka-Laka from National Torno, to her home, to watching Boys Over Flowers, to kasapan ni Sir Holland, kay nangikyas, kay nangangalog-halo sa bukar. And so many memories with friends, always to be present with them. Fast forward, after college, I decided to go to Cebu para mangita her. And then, out of the blue, she said, bro, uyog ko. I told her, ask Uncle Nerfer first and Auntie Lizelle. And na siya, wait lang bro. And after a day, ano din siya, okay, let's go Cebu. Best decision actually. Thank you, Uncle and Auntie, for allowing them to explore life on their own. Nawala ko. Thank you for trusting us. It was her first time na mag-travel alone. And like, yung pagkit kayo without her loving parents. It was the start of her, ako na bahala sa future. We arrived in Cebu without a place to stay in. Kaya pag yun nga time, nangita ko yung balay nga, asang gamaya, as in super good kay kagamay. Di na measure. Siguro good for one, na good siya, pero di kaya na good, ang good for two. To think nga, bintana, kay sama sa commercial, kita sa boysen, ito na yung gawas. Inaat pa gina mo ang kaan, bintana, gamay ka kayo siya. Kami na pong duha. Kung nakapit ito humble beginnings, ang mga agad ang pinaka-humble sa tanan. Tinuod, ito ka sa month para makabayo online, hapon, were just the happiest kids. Thankful sa life. We would ride the jeepneys. We championed the traffic of Lahore going to Colon. We're focused on our goals. Ako siya po sa work. And would tell her friends ka, uy, bayot ka ako. Para dito bito, may inom bito nga, ala, uyab mo. Dili, uy, bayot ko. Ano na yung disclaimer? Di po ko sure. Sure ba ko? Ano yung disclaimer ba? Dahil magkaon pag-ibig sa McDo sa IT Park for 6 hours. Among kanon, 1 BFF fries, tulog ako float. Maura gina siya. Then among chikaon, isa na ginakatawo, balik-balik. Joke na bitaw, delete. So we gossip to the same person over and over again. Dagan pa kayo kong stories bitaw, like, umiyak ko balong, nag-una-una siya, umiyak. Ako man iyak, anong mauna mo ka bro, ulit na lang. Iyak naman ka. So, fast forward na sa we decided nga mag-separate ways. And iya me, but we are constant talking about our plans gapon. And nakauyap ko, and Bem as well in the same month. Ako nag 1 month ra ang pagitan. Sadly, I'm already single. Hello? Good catch. The first time na na-meet na ako si Cesar, actually, nagbuwag sa ako last year, but Bem and Cesar are inseparable. Until now. The first time na na-meet na ako si Cesar, he's just the perfect guy Bem has been waiting for a very long time. I can see Bem's smile from ear to ear. Cesar is just so kind, loving partner, a very family-oriented guy. He's been taking care of Bem, the princess, Disney way. I'm just the happiest best friend ever. I have been asking her for years only 2 questions. Every time na manawag na siya nako, it's either iyang ko i-prank or isa diyang picture nga maot kaayo ko. But I only have 2 questions since then. One na siya, bro, I have something to tell you. I would ask her either, are you Shurovsky Diamonds or Buros? Or are you engaged? After so many years, finally, she sent me a pic of her wedding ring and a clip of their proposal video. I cried so hard. It's like me, the proudest brother in the world, knowing she's finally getting married to the man of her dreams. Cesar, bro, please take care of her. And he always choose from everything. Lucky. Not just because you have to, but to love her genuinely. May you always be the Cesar that I know never fail to make them fall in love with you over and over again. And thank you for coming to your life. You're the greatest gift for them. To my sister, best friend, we would always make jokes about everything every time we see each other. Ang mabang din ako mabasa. Ang mabang gani kay kami na lang ni Cesar nagkabo kay Blip na kaayo. But I'm so proud of you, always. You know that. Always chipping, random. Thank you. Always give me mag random chat with them, but like wala lang. But I am so proud of you. Super. So, the man of honor duties man ko since naabot ko pag Sunday. As in every day. As in every day. Gahapon nangaon mi sa jobs. Dili sa kawan. And then out of the blue, niyan ako, "No, you're getting married." Mabiyaan na ko, ano siya, "You will always be part of my family." Pero no, we almost cried. And thank you, Uncle Nerf, for naabot yung ka kay maon yung burger. Padung na mimuyak ako at Uncle Nerf kay. Pero salamat, Uncle. Actually, saving grace. Thank you, Uncle Nerfer, for you saved the tears from falling. Kay naabot ka para ko ng burger for Auntie Lizelle. But seriously, thank you for being the bestest friend I could ever have. I don't know what life is kung wala ko yung katagalan. You guys are my kakampi. They would call me. Isag na sila sa sakyanan. And I don't know si clipping niya. Wala lang, ano siya. Bro, wala lang. Ayan palang moon. Huh? You guys have always been there. I love you, Dai and Bro Cesar. I could only wish you the best in life. 2 more years together, through thick and thin. I know the best and perfect fair. I will always be the best for the both. I love you guys. Please make a lot of babies, ha? Japan babies. Dili blur na babies. Please enjoy the night, everyone.
And speaking of enjoy, we are going to be enjoying a special dance number. A special number from the Man of Honor. Palakpakan naman natin.
This is actually my favorite song, so I'm gonna offer this to my best friend. Pulpon ko. Di kita maiis, kahit ako'y maiis sa'yo. Uy, ako lang to. Pilit mang itulang palayo, ihanin ng tadhana, pabalik sa'yo. Dahil sa minsan mong pag-ibig, halawin mo ako'y mananatili. Pamilya ka! At kung may susunod mong buhay para sa hihilingin makilala muli. Ikaw ay, thank you.
Raymond, one big hug. Come on, go to Cesar and Bess. Give them one big hug. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga besties. Ayun na, iyakan galore na talaga tonight. Napaka-solid ng friendship na ito. Thank you very much, Raymond. I believe binibiyahe din sila, nag-absent din sila. Alright, since we've already started with the messages, let us